Sir, done.
We will start with sum number 11. They have given, it is a construction question. 3 centimeter radii, 3 circle we have to draw which touch to each other. It is touching externally, so the distance between two center is 6 because the radii is 3. 3 plus 3 6. Stepwise, how to draw? Step number 1, base AB 6 centimeter. Draw this 6 centimeter. Correct. Then 2 arc of 6 centimeter from A and B. From here 6 centimeter. From here 6 centimeter. Join this. Third, A, B, C equilateral triangle. This is A, this is B, this is C. Again, we want 3 centimeter circle touching each other. This type of diagram we want all 3 circle equal of 3 centimeters. So what I have done, 6 centimeter base AB. Then from A arc, from B arc, so you will get equilateral triangle of 6 centimeter. Now from A, B, C, draw circle of radii 3 centimeter. From here 3 centimeter. It will be like this. From B, it will be like this. From C, it will be like this. First AB, then from A 6 centimeter, from B 6 centimeter, then A, then from B, then from C. So you will get this 3 centimeters circle, 3 circle touching each other. This is touching rest of 2, this is touching rest of 2, this is touching rest of 2. Now there is one circle. This is the radii of bigger circle. Now bigger circle radii will be the diameter of smaller circle. This is the condition given. And one code is given. So as per small circle, this is the semicircle inscribed. So this must be 90. So I will write major angle EAD is equal to 90 degree. Why? ED is diameter, or you can write inscribe in semicircle. This is the circle, this is the radii or a diameter, so half circle, in half circle this is 90. Therefore AD is perpendicular on EB from 90. Because it is 90 degree, it is a perpendicular. 3. When it is perpendicular on a chord, now forget about this circle. On a chord, if it is perpendicular, it is bisector. Therefore EA is equal to AB, perpendicular on bisect. When we draw perpendicular on a chord, always it bisect the chord. Again, this is a big circle. This is a radii of smaller circle. Radii of smaller circle, now it becomes diameter of smaller circle. Now this is half circle because this is a diameter. So any that I have explained, anywhere it is 90. If diameter endpoint connect with any point on a circle, it is 90. So this is 90 and it is extended. So now forget about this circle. Now on a chord, perpendicular is drawn. So whenever we draw a perpendicular, always it is a bisector. So two exams rule sentence we have applied, that in a semicircle inscribe is 90. If it is 90, then it is perpendicular. If it is perpendicular, then it is a bisector. So we have to prove that this and these are equal. In this diameter, in this circle, this is total 25. This much is 9. So 25 minus 9 is equal to 16. And they have given this segment is equal to 5. We have to find out radii of the circle. See, I will draw perpendicular. Then I will draw radii. This is P. ML is given 9 and total is given 25. So LN is equal to 16. OL is equal to 5. Now OP perpendicular to MN. Construction. I have drawn perpendicular. So again, when it is perpendicular, it is bisector. Therefore, PM is equal to PN is equal to MN by 2. That is 25 by 2. So PN, half of 25, 12.5 centimeters. So this much, 12.5. Correct. This is also 12.5. PM is equal to PL plus LM. PN is equal to PL plus LM. So this we have. PL also we have. LM we don't have. So LM 12.5 minus 9, 3.5. So this much is 3.5. 16. Now it is not 16. This much. EL, M, N. This much is 12.5. Now this much is 3.5. Total is 9. So 5.5. This is 3.5 that we need. Now, from this OP square, in this right angle triangle, it is ON square minus PN square. On that right angle triangle, OL square minus LP square. How? This is O, this is P, this is L, this is N. In this right angle triangle, OL square is equal to OP square plus PL square. OP is common, so I want OP square. So OP square is equal to OL square minus LP square. First, in this triangle, ON square is equal to PO square plus NP square. ON square minus NP square, PO square. This is PO square, this is PO square. So this PO square I have written here. This PO square I have written here. That is the explanation, no need to write. This is by bisector, by simplifying. This is addition of segment. Substitution.
Sir,
Simplify.
sir, please explain again this sum.
Yes. Wait, just wait. OP square. ON is equal to question. ON is equal to radii. Okay. Radii square. PN is 12.5. OL is 5 square. LP square, that is 3.5 square. Now, R square is equal to this side, 12.5 square plus 5 square minus 3.5 square. 12.5 square means 156.25 plus 25 . Now first add this. So this is 181.25 minus 12.25. 25 point will reduce. 181 minus 12. So it is 169. It is 13 square. So R is equal to 13 centimeter. I am explaining again full. Don't worry. M, N, O, this is P. If Mn is 25, full Mn is 25, it is drawn perpendicular, so both are equal. MP is equal to Pn is equal to 12.5. So 12.5, 12.5. Now it is given L. So 12.5, this much is 9. So from 12.5, 9 goes, so 3.5. This much is given 5. This is 12.5. Now this is radii. In this triangle, this is L. So it is now like this. O, P, L, N. PL you got 12.5. This is radii that we have to find. This is 3.5. This is 5. Okay. So in this triangle, phi square is equal to 3.5 square plus PO square. Agree? In this right angle triangle, hypotenuse square is equal to height square plus base square. This goes this side. Phi square 3.5 square OP. This is 8.5. A square minus B square means 1 time plus, 1 time minus. Correct? 15 5s are 75, so 5, 7 remainder. 15 8s are 120. So 1, 2, 7, 1 and 2 decimal. Leave it as it is. Now in this triangle, now you got OP square plus PN square is equal to ON square. ON. So that is radii square. OP is how much? 12.75. PN is how much? PN 12.5. Correct. So 12.75 plus 12 square is equal to 156.25. So it is 169. So R is equal to 13 square. R is equal to 13. Means simple substitution. Total 25. Half 12.5. From 12.5 9 gone. So 3.5. You have this, and you have this. In this right angle triangle, two sides you have, find out third. In this triangle, now you have this and this, find out third. 2 times Pythagoras. So you will get exact perfect square. 169. That is 13. Now, from this chapter, my one of the best and favorite, and this in 5 marks. Previously, it was 5 mark question in SSC board. They've asked this question. In this solution, 3 groups of 3 steps, exactly 9 steps. Exactly 9 steps you have to write, and your proof will complete. Sum number 22, page number 89. Before that, I will introduce a very small part of the proof. If there is a circle, if there is a tangent, and if there is a secant, by this angle, this arc is inscribed. Suppose this is 100. So inscribed angle is always half of the arc. Suppose this is 100. So this one will be 50. Angle is equal to half of the arc. Agree? Same. By this 100, this is also inscribed, so it is also 50. By this arc, this is also 50. By this arc, this is also 50. But forget about this two. Inscribe in the circle, inscribed by tangent and secant. So this angle is half of the arc. This angle is equal to half of the same arc. And if it is 100, this is 50, this is 50. So this and this are equal. Again, same. whatever this arc, this one is half of that. Whatever this arc, this is half of that same. So this and these are equal. Step number 1, x is half of this. Step number 2, y is half of this. X and y both are half of the same arc, therefore x is equal to y. Step number 1, this equal to half of this. Step number 2, this also half of same. Step number 3, therefore both are equal. 1 to 3, again 1 to 3, then again 1 to 3. Like that, exact 9 steps. So clear this point. Now on this base, I will solve sum number 22.
So 10 minutes left.
Within 10 minutes, I want to complete this. PRQ. S. We have to prove measure angle PSQ plus measure angle PRQ is equal to 180. I am drawing this much. P R Q S, this much. Suppose this is 100. So this is 50. Suppose this is 100. So this is also 50. Step number 1. Measure angle PRPQ is equal to half measure arc PR. This angle is half of this. Inscribe angle. Theorem. Second, same PSR. I have taken lower then upper. Measure angle PSR half measure PR. Inscribe angle theorem. Both are half of this. Therefore, measure angle RPQ is equal to measure angle PSR is equal to X from first, second. This is group number 1. Group number 2, again 1, 2, 3 will be the same. Then again group number 3, 1, 2, 3. 3 steps I have written. This angle is half of this arc. This angle also it is half of the same arc. Therefore both are equal. This arc is 100, so this is 50. This arc is 100, so this is 50. So 50, 50 are equal. I have considered as X. So now that same I am substituting this is x, and this is x. Now remove this part. Another diagram. Now I will draw this. S P Q P. Okay. Now the arc is this. Suppose it is 80. So this is 40. Suppose this is 80. So inscribe. This is also 40. That's why this and these are equal. I have taken XX. Now I will take YY. Same like this. I will take lower angle, lower first. RQP, half of major arc, RQ. Upper, RSQ, half of major arc, RQ. Inscribe angle theorem. Therefore, both are equal. Upper, lower one plus from 1 to 3, 4, 5, 6. So from 4 and 5. Now 7, 8, 9. Again, 1, 2, 3, what I have done? X is equal to this half arc. This x is equal to half of this arc. That's why both are equal. Now y is equal to half of this arc. Y is half of this arc. So y and y are equal. 1, 2, 3, left side circle. 1, 2, 3, right side circle. Same concept, only the alphabet change, angle change. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Lower angle, upper angle. Lower angle, upper angle. Both are half of the arc. Now this 3xx, 6yy, add this plus this. Measure angle RPQ. Left side plus left side. Measure angle RQP is equal to measure angle PSR plus measure angle RSQ. I have add left plus left, right plus right, means x plus y is equal to x plus y. So that is 3 plus 6. So I got x plus y. Now z is remain. Z means what? PRQ. Add on both the side. PRQ. This will be the same. Measure angle RPQ plus measure angle RQP plus adding both the sides. PRQ is equal to measure angle same PSR plus measure angle RSQ plus measure angle both the sides. Adding both the side, measure angle PQ, PRQ. So sum of this, it is right angle triangle. So 1 plus 2 plus 3, it is 180. Then I have written x plus y. X plus y is equal to measure angle S. And I have added this, so measure angle R. You can write in 3, PQ. Again, I am explaining this. Consider this 100. So this will be x, half of that. This will be x, half of that. Consider this is 80. So this is y 40. This is y 40. So x, I will write x dash. X is equal to x dash. Written, no, this is equal to this. Now y is equal to y dash. Add both the sides. This is third step. This is sixth step. Now add x plus y is equal to x dash plus y dash. Now z, adding z on both the sides. So x plus y plus z is equal to x dash plus y dash plus z. X, y, z, that is 180. X dash y dash is equal to s, and only y it is r. So exactly